Hey everybody, welcome back. We're up north again. We were up here last weekend. We had a few things go wrong for us, and so this weekend I'm up here to kind of correct some of that. So I brought some new bolts to fix the brush hog, and I brought a new strap to fix one of those cameras we put up. We'll go check out the cameras too and see what's on those cards, see if it's caught anything. I forgot to bring my device that's used to pull the videos off of the SD cards, so we'll just go grab the SD cards, bring them back to here, then I can use one of the computers here to hopefully pull them off, see what they look like. Either I'll put those on this video or I'll make another video depending on how many there are. I figure there might be more this time since I put that saw clip out there and stuff. But here is the bolts that I got for the brush hog. Here's the old one that sheared off. Here's the new ones that I ordered. It comes in a pack. I really don't need this one over here, but this one here. And the bolts are all the same size, so even if this one shears off on me later, I've got an extra one now. So, and then here's the other strap I had at the house. I'll use to hook up that other camera. So here is the brush hog piece that broke off on it, or at least where that bolt sheared off. It goes in here. I'm gonna pull this bracket up. Should go right in here. Feed it right through there. I'm going to just stick a screwdriver in here right now to kind of hold it up there. That's right where the new bolt should go. That's where the old one was when it came off. Goes right through here, goes right through here, over on that side, and just tightens it up, so it should be fairly simple. Let's get these new ones out of the packet. And from looking at the packet that came with it, looks like this one here is actually for the back piece. This front one here is for the front piece, obviously, what we're going to hook up. So here's the one that we got out of the package. So take this off here. I don't need this spacer because the spacer is actually still in there, so the spacer didn't come out. I'm going to see if I take the screwdriver out of here and see if it kind of just stays in place. It's halfway through. Let's kind of bring this one back this way, I think. Get on this side of it and kind of straighten this out. Got it here. There we go, it's through. So there it is on this side, all the way through that spacer. Put this on this side, then we got to tighten it up, and we should be good to go. That went in there pretty easy. I'm glad it did. Now to go find a wrench and stuff big enough to tighten that down. So it looks like it's 1 1/8. So it's got a crescent on here. 1 1/8. Here on the breaker bar. That's right off. It's tightening up though. Try that again without everything falling off. Alright, that's back on there. Put it as tight as I could with that breaker bar. We'll just keep watching it as we're using it, make sure it stays on there. That's all we need. And we should be able to go back and do some more brush hogging. Alright, let's go pull the videos off of the trail cameras. We'll grab the cards, bring them back here at the house, and then that'll allow me to make a trail out there too. See how wet it is, to see if we can get the tractor back there to do some brush hogging back where the in the basswood. All right, let's go see how that looks. So this is at the Heart Pond. I brush hogged all this down last time. Here's where I put that salt lick. Looks like something's been maybe licking on the corner of it here. Here's the camera. We'll grab the card out of that. We'll take the card with us. And then we'll make our way to the rest of the cameras and get the rest of the cards. Drop the camera. Battery life is only at 44%, so this camera must have been pretty busy. Let's just take this whole camera back with us. We're going to have to come back out here anyway. All right, here's the next one. Just going to grab this whole camera actually too, because we're going to put a new strap on this one. Let's make sure we turn it off too so it's not taking pictures of us the whole time. All right, we'll take that one back with us. And now let's go get the two video cards off the other two. And then we'll head back and see what they look like. So the other two are just here. This is where we're going to hunt the bear. Looks like somebody's been eating on our salt lick we put down there. I'll bring the camera up so you guys can see close. So there's definitely going to be pictures on that camera, both these cameras. But you can see here where somebody's been digging at this and eating it. And then we'll come back out here and put the cards back in them here in a little bit. Alright, so I went ahead and put the other two cards back in the ones down there. The one on this side is catching the flash on that one when they go off, so I might have to rearrange what I'm doing down here. I'm going to leave it that way for now. Here's the stand right there, and I'm going to go ahead and put this other one back here. This one was a little high, I think, too, so I'm going to put it down a little bit further on the trunk. I did get a new strap for it here, so the strap's not broken it now. We'll put that up. And this one didn't have a whole lot of photos on it when I pulled it off at the house. I didn't look at them completely though. I'll probably wait till I get home tonight to see whether I want to put them on this film or you guys are watching right now, or whether I want to create a separate video with those. We'll have to see.
Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Usually I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But today I see our reflections clearly in Hollywood, laying on the screen. You just need a better life than this. You need something I can never give. Fake water all across the road. It's gone now, the night is come. But sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. You can't fight it, you can't breathe. You say something so loving, but now I gotta let you go. You'll be better off in someone new. I don't wanna be alone. You know it hurts me too. You look so broken when you cry. One more and then I say goodbye. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking me out.
Right, here's for the one back at the Heart Pond. I put that salt lick here. Looks like somebody's been kind of licking on it. I noticed it was like really close to the camera though, so I'm actually going to push this out here so that when people come and lick on it, it won't be so close to the camera. It's starting to sprinkle on me. Make sure that's back on. And I already deleted all the photos off of it, so looks like it's good to go. There we go. Yeah, rain's coming. Time to head back to the house. That's all I got for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video, give me some comments, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We'd really love to have you. And we will see you guys next time.